F150 YouTube. We are at Lewis Park Caverns in Montana. We're having a trip over to Iowa. Things are getting a little bit interesting. My Banks torque tube headers burnt through my vacuum hoses for my four-wheel drive system on the way over Lolo Pass. So notice today after we were leaving Bearmouth, Montana, a lot of humming coming from the front side of my truck, in the hub area, passenger. So I took a little bit of time, found where they were damaged at, and kind of stuck them together the best I could, which is solve the problem for now. We're going through Billings, Montana in a couple hours, and I'll stop by the Ford dealership and grab a new vacuum system. But you can see the truck and the camper behind us. We're having a good time. We also got a rock chip, so I'm going to show you guys really quick the vacuum system and what else has happened to our truck. So I'll see you in just a second. So here we go, guys. This is what happened. So my headers, you can see a little bit of residual right there, melted this spot, and I stuck it all together. So it's working right now. We'll see how long that lasts. Anyways, see you guys. Coming out of Lewis Park Caverns. That was the door shutting behind us. Look way far up there, you can see the door. I'd say it's about 500, 600 feet into the side of the mountain. It's like 45 degrees in here, and it's close to 100 outside. Got Sebastian, Sophia, Mia, the Ethanator. I gotta be careful, I'm gonna whack my head on this rock. Like 6'2", 6'3", and it's gonna hurt if I hit my head. Dun, 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 dun. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it? So now we get up here, we gotta wait for our tour guide to come through and open up the door for us. We will see what it looks like outside. That goes really far down there.
I wonder if we're having tremor season on top of fire season. People always ask about earthquakes. Never do. Yeah. When you're inside a mountain, you're actually safer just this. The water hits the pond, right? And you get that rippling effect laterally, the mountain absorbs it the same way. And then that rock is kind of melting. Right? That's what happens in the mountains.
The tour guide's talking about earthquakes as we're inside of a tunnel in the mountain. He likes my sense. I like his sense of humor.
Hi guys. Alright, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in. Bye. Yeah, good. Good having y'all.
Thanks, Tom. Have a great day.
You bet.
Could this be just a bond filter?
I don't know. I imagine it'd work better than being outside. So there we are. We are out.
Would you like us to get a picture of those? That would be awesome. Thank you.
We gotta go over to there. Is our parking lot. It's our way back.